7 JavaScript libraries for supercharging your next project. The following are the top 7 libraries to help you to do your job faster. 1. Hammer.js. Hammer.js adds multi-touch gestures to your web app, allowing you to create seamless and enjoyable experiences. 2. Anime.js. Anime is a powerful and lightweight animation library with a simple-to-use API. 3. Chart.js. Chart.js handles all the heavy lifting involved in creating and maintaining charts. 4. Lodash. Lodash provides a large set of utility functions for common programming tasks. 5. DateFNS. DateFNS provides comprehensive functions for date formatting and manipulation. 6. Math.js. Packed with functions and constants, Math.js makes working with complex computations possible. 7. Pc.js. It's a fast, lightweight rendering library that helps you build interactive apps or HTML games. Let your imagination go wild. Happy learning! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.